guys, today we're going to be getting started. By the way, this is not an external camera, but this is just a light, okay? So we're for beginners. This is a beginner's video, by the way. So look, beginner's video. Like, put your feet like this, look. So when you go there, you have to hop, bounce your foot. Okay, so when you're doing this, you have to put all your weight on this foot. So look, and then hop 3 times. Then look, you have to put this foot in front now, like this. Switch, so like if you're switching, so like you have to balance yourself. So look, like, yeah, and when you do that, so do this, switch, then you're gonna have to switch again, and back, if you wanna do it extra time. Hold your back feet, and turn around. Then look. Then go like this. So look. Final result for beginners. Okay? Alright, like this one. Yeah. So good luck. Also, watch different videos about 30. Probably you'll become pro at this 30. So stay tuned for the next channel, like the next video, but I don't know when I'm gonna make that. Okay? Bye guys. Have a good day.